18th or so. These homegirl pups. Hey, okay. I guess I need helpers. What are we doing? Here? Yeah. This is Homegirl and Oz, half and half. Congo Borbo's today's, I believe it's the 18th or something. February. I think she's got about 5 weeks. You see one of them's got a hurt leg. Hopefully that will fix itself soon. These guys have not had an easy go of it. They have not had an easy go of it.